Since 1980, Afinox has been specializing in the domestic and international markets, designing and producing high-tech equipment for the catering sector with a focus on quality and innovation. For about 20 years, we have been collaborating with Europoliuretani, and we consider them more than just a supplier, but our partner. In this ultimate project, we collaborated together to create the new foaming system, finding a solution that allowed us to optimize our layout and consequently increase productivity to meet the needs and demands of our valuable customers and ensure utmost satisfaction and success in our endeavors. The new technology developed by Europoliuretani allows us to have a machine that is interconnected with our management system, providing us with the possibility to digitally manage the management of various programs and ensure the precise unloading of the raw material that is used on each of our products. Furthermore, we have the possibility of remote assistance from Europoliuretani. The provision of the entire plant on a turnkey basis, along with the detailed roadmap of the interventions, played a crucial role in enabling us to successfully minimize production downtime to a great extent.